Today we're going to provide a small video on HTML basics. First of all, you need to open your VS Code, then open new file. Let's name the file as first web page .html. Save it, and it's going to ask where to save. Just give your location and then save this, create file, and the file's been created. Now you can start writing HTML scripts. First of all, HTML has a basic structure. In the basic structure, you need to have first the HTML tag, the HTML closing tag, and the opening tag. In the previous video, we have explained what is the opening tag and what is the ending tag, and explain a bit about it. Just if you don't get it, you should go through that video and come to this. After declaring the HTML tags, you can declare the head tag and the body tag. This is the most basic HTML structure. The head tag, the body tag. Inside the head and the body tag, we can provide necessary information to a particular website. So a particular web page. A website is a collection of web pages. A web page is a single web page. Now we are going to create a simple web page. In the head tag, you can provide another tag. Let's have spacing. In the head tag, you can declare these tags like the title tag. In the title tag, you can write what the web page should be called. Let's call this web page as the first basic web page. Once you do it, you can look it has been changed or not. Let's open the file. Reveal in File Explorer. Open file. I opened it in Chrome, and you can see the name, the head tag. In the head tag, they have provided the title, first basic web page is shown. And then inside the body tag, we can declare many types of tags: h1 tags, h2 tags, h3 tags, paragraph tags, image tags, likewise. Let's type a particular tag. Let's type I want a heading. In the heading tag, I'm going to provide, let's say, not my first exercise, it's your first exercise if you're watching this video, my first HTML exercise. And after doing it, press Ctrl+S on your keyboard to save the file and go to the web page that's been opened. Click the refresh button to refresh the changes. My first HTML exercise. After providing HTML exercise, I want to provide another heading. In the heading, let's type introduction, and Ctrl+S, then refresh here. But there is a little issue. I want this introduction to be a subtag, which means it has to be smaller compared to my first HTML exercise heading. To do that, we can change the HTML tag to h2 tag. Go to a web page, shrink the size. Now you might wonder, what is it h1, h2, likewise. h1, h2, h3, they are all do the same thing. They provide headings. There are 6 types of headings. Let me show you. h1 is the biggest heading, which has the larger size. Then subsequently h2 has a little bit smaller than it. h3, and then h4, then h5, H6. Yeah. So all the tags. Let's type heading. See how much size difference they possess. Save the file, refresh it. Yeah, you can see the size difference. Heading. The smallest one is H6. It is not easy to see. So you can use them depending on your context. Afterwards, you need to provide a paragraph. Let's say we need to provide a particular paragraph. Let's copy some text from the website. Let's type, let's go cats. Let's go to the cat page. And in here, let's go to the Wikipedia page. In Wikipedia page, let's copy this paragraph. No, copy these paragraphs. Yeah, 2 paragraphs. The paragraph section. Yeah. As you can see, the first paragraph is this one, this line. And the second paragraph is this one. This might not show in the way that you expect, which can be changed in the view option, I think. Let me there's a particular option that you can make these paragraphs work like this, but for some reason I don't know where to open because I haven't used it in quite a while. In the next video I'll explain how to use it. Okay, for now, this is the first paragraph. This is the second paragraph. How long is this? Yeah, this is the second paragraph. Inside p tag. And then go to your web page, refresh it, and you can see this is constructed as a paragraph. And you might wonder, there is only one paragraph. I mean, we inserted 2 paragraphs, no? So why there is one paragraph? Because inside the p tag, they ignore the white spaces and line breaks. If you really want to provide a line break, which means a paragraph, you can simply provide the br tag like this, very easy, and set the file. And if you do it, you can see the paragraphs has been divided. And you can, for some reason you want more space, you can provide another br tag and then another line break. Then you can see there is a space between these 2 paragraphs. Then you might wonder if there is another alternative way that you can provide the br tag instead of line break, instead of writing the p tag and provide br tag. Yeah, there is a particular way. You can simply isolate this inside another p tag and provide this side another p tag, because for each new p tag, mind the values p tag, closing tag, so opening tag, the closing tag, and the opening tag here, and the closing tag here, and it does the same job. Yeah, it does the same job. You don't need br tags, but br tags is more convenient in providing paragraphs inside p tags, so it is the best practice to use it. Just press the undo button, Ctrl+Z to give me the br tag. It's pretty much it. It's very easy. You can make your own way. You can copy files from this in order to experiment on how to provide a better web page. And apart from this basic structure, there is another type called the DOCTYPE. The DOCTYPE tags. You can see when provide inside the braces this semicolon. Sorry, not it's a semicolon. It's I don't remember this name. Okay, this symbol and the DOCTYPE. I think it's exclamation mark. Yeah, the DOCTYPE, and here it says HTML. What does it mean? It says This does not have to do anything with this code, with this script. It has to do with the browser. This code tells the browser, which is opened by, says this is an HTML file and says the HTML version. So whenever someone from inside the internet trying to open in this web page, their browsers been told that this is an HTML file, so that it should be rendered as a HTML file as well. That is what it does by this doctype tag. Let me show you a quick simple trick using VS Code to make it a lot easier when HTML typing. Instead of writing all the HTML tags, body tags, you can simply type exclamation mark and then press tab, and it will automatically create this inside the document. You don't need to worry about these metadata, which is default values. Don't try to tamper with it yet until you know about it more. It will be mentioned in the next videos on coming. And the title, you can change the title, you can provide what's in the body, and you can go through it. And if you have any question, please make sure to comment down below, and thank you for watching.